Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to choose who can reply to your tweet in Twitter app for Android. So this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Twitter app and then log into your Twitter account. So let me find my Twitter app. So here is my Twitter app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened and you can see I'm already logged into my Twitter account. If you haven't, just log in. And after that guys, you need to tap on this compose a tweet button at the bottom right over here. So let me tap on this and just compose your tweet. So let me compose mine. And after composing your tweet, just tap on this little globe icon at the bottom left over here. So let me tap on this. And I have this little pop-up window, who can reply. Choose who can reply to this tweet. Anyone mentioned can always reply. Okay, so here we have three options. Everyone, people who you follow, only people you mention. So just go to the option that you want. So I want this option, people you follow. Okay, so let me tap on this. And you can see guys, here I have this message, people you follow can reply. Okay, so after that just tap on this tweet button at the top right. So let me tap on this tweet. Now let me check out the tweet that I just tweeted. So let me tap on this profile icon at the top left. And then let me tap on this profile link. And you can see guys, I have this tweet over here. If I tap on this, it's opened. You can see I have this tweet. And here I have this message. You can reply. People at the rate TechMeSpot follows or mentioned can reply. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily choose who can reply to your tweets in Twitter app for Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.